every time I would feel stressed, I would start cooking, and I just realized that made me so happy. If I ever wanted to actually work in an environment that was healthy and productive and creatively fulfilling, that I would need to do my own thing. I love cooking. I love being on the line. I love creating dishes. I also love working with the people who are out there every night cooking on the line, and the people that that I work with are fantastic. We have a great crew. I get to be creative, and I get to create that space for people to feel like they can be creative at work and that they can do what they want to do in an environment that is like supportive of them. We get to work with small farms, which is really fun. We've built a lot of cool relationships with farmers. I see them coming into my back door to deliver things personally. They offer a hyper-seasonal product, which you can't always get from the big guys. So they'll bring you stuff that, might last 2 or 3 weeks, but you can make something really cool out of it, and it's delicious, and it's at the height of its flavor. So we get to play with that stuff, and we get to experiment with flavors and different ingredients, local ingredients. We just want people to have a really good time, to maybe learn a little bit about food, but mostly just to enjoy themselves and hang out and create a great food community. There's lots of cool, interesting things popping up in the culinary scene, and we want to be a part of that.